Adding and modifying installation items to your on-call or proposal can be time-consuming, but we have a solution to make this a lot easier. Here's how. Go to the FlexJob tab in the Proposal Builder and set up your install kit by adding the products and install items you want to include and set your pricing. Create one or multiple install kits to have ready to go when building your next quote. Once your install kit is created, simply add it to your good, better, best options on your proposal with just one click. And no worries, you can always edit the install kits for each quote option after they're added too. This will make your HVAC quotes even faster. Promote your brand to customers, keep your team consistent, retain your ability to customize install kits, and make editing proposals much easier. Need to make a change to your quote? With the install kit, you never have to start from scratch again. Simply put your quote back in edit mode, make the changes needed, and re-add your quote options. The best part? Your install kit is still there. No need to add it all again. For a detailed walkthrough and more tips on how to set up your install kit, go to oncallair.com/install-kit.